couldn't believe that it's so big, so intense.
Yeah.
I mean, also, just to find this guy manufacture the things, like the handlebars.
Yeah. Everything is very difficult, but there's a big market for it, So I'm here in the one-stop speed shop. Now, I told you I was going to find you something special whilst I was in Bologna. It's not just about Ducati, it's also about choppers and the chopper scene. And I'm with Ricardo in his shop, who we've been kind of brushing shoulders with on parts and buying things for my bikes and then talking on Instagram. And now I met the man. Look, he's here. Right?
Good to meet you guys.
So, we've just come down because I'm in the middle of just deciding what to do with the Springer. I think we're now going to chop it up a little bit. We're going to change it up. And we're in this treasure trove of just chopper goodies, right? And if you want to find somewhere special that you want to get stuff from, then you need to go and look at onekickspeedshop.com, right? onekickspeedshop.com. Look at this. Right, look for this logo, all right? And then you're going to find what you need. This is the man that you can see, all right? Pleased to meet him, right, finally. And we're going to have some purchases here, and I'll be showing you what I bought when I get back home.
Telefono 𝗘𝗀𝘆𝗆𝗍𝗫1354 www.
Pieno rispetto dell'ambiente è la filosofia.
So this is it. This is Ducati in Bologna. This is the factory. We've just been to there. We're now going into the dealer. We're hopefully going to get some sense.
This doesn't make a lick of sense.
Come on, chap.
Probably not like super.
Hi. Yes.
I need your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle.
I come from Tenerife. This is my company. And I have a problem with the Ducati, with the paperwork for a bike. I wanted to speak to somebody from Ducati who may be able to help. We've travelled 3,700 kilometres.
Okay.
Right? We have a motorcycle in Tenerife.
Okay.
And they will not let me matriculate it onto Spanish plates.
Okay.
Because they say that they need a paper. Now this paper they are asking for, they say only the manufacturer can give you this.
Okay.
So I wanted to speak to somebody about this process.
Now you are in the dealer,
Yeah.
Italian dealer.
Yeah.
The factory is in front behind
They
you.
just sent me to you.
But this you can.
Give me what I want!
So, there we go. We were speaking to Ducati for at least an hour. They were very helpful. The ladies behind the counter were extremely helpful with me. The factory, well, not so good, to be honest. I will say that I went to the factory. I found them quite rude over there, if I'm frank. If you do go to Bologna, it's very easy to get to the Ducati factory, but don't expect much service in the factory side. But in the shop there and the dealer, they took me round to the parts section and they had a nice, deep conversation with me. And it was pretty interesting what I found out.
So, the answer, 3,700 kilometres later, the answer is they've got the same problem. They have court case after court case going on with their governments, with people who are moving over to Italy, and they've brought their Ducati with them, and when they get here, the government will not give them a plate. Now, it's crazy, isn't it, that if we, you know, have a bike that's come from the Ducati factory and we take it to England for a year, we do no modifications, we do nothing to it, we then bring it back because we decide to leave England and go to Europe, and we are being penalised then by the European governments to say, no, this bike is not European. It's covered in European stickers. It's got E-numbers on every part. How can it not be European anymore? It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. And it's short-lived memories, isn't it? Because things 80 years ago, if we hadn't have stepped in, could have been a lot different for Europe. But it isn't, yeah? It's easily forgotten, and here we are because of our stupid governments who have decided to pull out of Europe and do this and that, and it's the people again that suffer.